Hi, my name is Daniel. My code for YouTube will be the Stud Show. I know it sounds like a weird name, but that's what I wanted it to be. And today I'm going to be reviewing Battle for Geonosis, ages 8 to 14, set number 7869, and it comes with 331 pieces, and this is the box. It's a very cool box, and here's the back of the box, and it shows some details of the cannon, and also shows some other sets, 3 other sets. I have 2 of those other sets. And these are the minifigures. You get 2 of the new battle droids, type of battle droids, with a normal pistol. Head can move up and down. So do the legs, but they move together. And here is a super battle droid, but actually the ones that have the bazookas, they're called heavy super battle droids. So this is a heavy super battle droid, and that's the bazooka for it. Looks like a strong bazooka, and their legs move together. And sometimes what I do the super battle droid like that. Like that you can't move it up. And that's the heavy super battle droid. And here is Luminara. Comes with a green lightsaber. She has some printing in the front. No printing on the back. Her hairpiece is new. You can probably only get this hairpiece on Luminara. She has 2 faces. She has this one and the one that has sunglasses. I think they're sunglasses. And that's whenever you put her on on her speeder. And here is Captain Rex. Captain Rex is, and it comes with the piece to get the signal from other clone troopers to talk to them. And this is the face. Some pieces from armor, for armor. And here comes with 2 very little guns. And those pieces of armor, like artists. Anyways, onto the BARC speeder, but shortly they call it for BARC speeder. That's what we call it short. It has 2 guns, right there and right there, and 2 controls, one right there, one right there. These little wings, I think they're called. I think they're wings. You can move them. And you can get this in another set. I think it's called Clone Trooper Battle Pack. And yeah, there it is. And onto the cannon, which is the main part of the set. It has a gun right there, 4 opposable legs, but I won't move them. You'll see whenever you actually get the set. And it has these 2. Whenever you shoot that one, It looks like normal. Whenever you shoot them, they just fall off, and then you just need to shoot them. That's all you need to do. And here's a little wheel, kind of wheel. It controls our cannon up and down. Anyways, I'll just put that straight. And here is the cockpit. It's right there. Has a little seat. And if you ever not want to know how to put that battle droid in, you gotta set them in like this. You have to put the hand with gun up. And you gotta snap the hand right there. And here is the main part of the cannon. It is the missile. There's a red piece right here, and whenever you put it up, it'll shoot the missile out. And I'll actually shoot the missile. You'll see it. Did you see that? That was the missile. It's a cool set for the missile. And I actually got this at my birthday. They said, I'm sure they sell it at Toys R Us. They have to sell it there, cause I saw it whenever I was gonna buy my Christmas presents. And well, that's done my review. Thank you for watching.